Okay, so final day in Sydney and time for my final run in Sydney. It's only going to be a quick 10-minute just because I've got so much to do today, but I've got a test doing it 10 minutes unbroken, so I think today I'll do about a minute 30 running and then 30 seconds walking. Okay, just finished my run, 10 minutes, 1 minute 30 seconds walking. My word, was it difficult. I just haven't run for that long continuously for like 9 months. But now it's time to get a drink and grab some breakfast and then start packing up and getting ready to head home, which is always fun. After a great morning run, it was not a long one, but it was probably one of my quickest ones yet. Went for breakfast, packed all our bags, as you can see, all packed up, ready to go. And now just got to check out, drop our bags downstairs at the luggage storage, and then head to the FIFA fan park, which should be good. And then I'll bring you along for the rest of the day. So here at the FIFA Fan Fest at Barangaroo, Tumbalong Park, watching USA play Vietnam over in New Zealand. Probably going to try the Macca's drive-through. It's just a McDonald's activation. Looks really cool, something different. And then yeah, just enjoying this before heading back to Canberra later on tonight.
And we will recall that in France 4 years ago. Number 6. Take Toby the Champmakers and Abby Wambach.
Just making our way train station to help Dad get to the airport for his flight off to Wellington, whereas I'm going off to try and find a shop that I've been looking for, Decathlon. I want to see what it's like. So yeah, we'll head to the station, let Dad go, and then I'll head off to the shop. Okay, so I just got off at Sydenham station. Now I'm walking across the Tempe to the Decathlon store there, just because we don't have any in Canberra, and I look online and there's something that I want, but I can't get because shipping's ridiculous. So I thought, why not spend the rest of my afternoon in Sydney by going to a shop. I'd waste some time, which is all I need to do for the rest of the day, because I got 2.5 hours to the train goes, so I got to waste that time, and I've done most stuff in Central. So yeah, let's walk. Okay, so that was the trip to Sydney for the what was the opening Australian game of the Women's World Cup. It was a great trip apart from the very finish, as you probably heard. Dad's flight arrived before my train arrived in Canberra, so what was like meant to be, I was meant to leave before Dad. I left before Dad, but arrived well after Dad. But yeah, got home, had a shower, pretty much thought I was gonna head to bed, but then I remembered I had a vlog to finish. Do a tiny bit of an edit, finish of an edit, and then make sure it exports tonight so that I can upload it tomorrow for you guys to all watch. So it's the John's Peak vlog, so that should come out tomorrow. So it's a pretty good vlog. Just didn't get to didn't get to fully finish it because I ended up being extremely sore. But yeah, I'm pretty sure this vlog series is going to come after the John's Peak one, but before the other 2 hikes that I've done. So it kind of fits in with the recency of the World Cup. And yeah, hope you enjoyed these last couple of videos. And I also hope to film what is the Women's World Cup final towards the end of August, which should be really good. And then that kicks off pretty much after that, there's another series coming, which is really exciting. It's good to be getting these videos out, but yeah, just gonna, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, please subscribe, and yeah, have a great night, and I'll see you when I see you. See ya.